So first is finding square of numbers ending with 5. So any number which ends with 5 and we have to find the square. So you can do it without a pen or a pencil also. For example, 25 square. So whenever you have your unit place as 5, your answer will always end with 25. Whatever number is left other than 5, you just multiply it with the next number. So 2 into 3 is 6. Similarly, if I talk about 35 square, so this will give us 25. So this is fixed, that 5 square is 25. And now we are left with 3, multiply 3 by the next number or the consecutive number. So 3 into 4 is 12. Is the concept clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
can you guys tell me what is the answer of 45? So don't think about the last part. Just solve this one. 4 into?
Sir, 2025.
Good. 4 into 5 is 20 and we'll have 20. So answer is 2025. Is this clear? Arpit? Aishwarya?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Suvidya? Swati? Brenda? Sanvi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Noor?
Sir,
Manvi?
please repeat it. Actually, मैंने अभी class 10 join करी है, so I missed it.
This is to find square of any number which ends with 5. जिसका unit place 5 होगा. For example, 25 square, unit place is 5. Answer will always have 25 at the end. So we don't have to think about the last part. We are left with 2. Whatever is left, multiply it with the next number or the consecutive number. So 2 into 3 gives us 6. Answer is 625. Similarly, for 35 square, we'll do 3 into next number is 4, 12. And this will give us 25. Now, similarly, 45 square. So this will give us 25. Now 4 into 5 is 20. So answer is 2025. Can you guys tell me what will be 55 square without using a pen?
So 3025.
So 5 into 6 is 30 and 25. Any doubt? Anyone?
No, sir.
किसी को भी डाउट है तो पूछ लो. दावी, गुनीत, ईशा, इशिता.
Yes, sir. No doubt.
Any doubt? Janvi,
No,
Jia,
sir.
Keshav,
No doubt, sir.
Malvika, Mehak, Mishti, Naisha, Niti.
No, sir. Sir, just join.
Sorry. Then you will have to watch the recording now. So the next is, चलो एक दो और कर लो फटाफट. What is 75 square? 7 into 8, 56.
5625.
5625. 5625.
95 square, quickly.
Sir,
9025.
9025.
Okay, so tell me.
Sir, actually, I was having network. Can you repeat?
ठीक है, मैं फिर से कर रहा हूँ. So this is to find square of any number ending with 5. Only when the unit place is 5. So this will always give you 25. Whatever is left other than 5, you multiply it with the next number. 2 into 3 is 6. Answer is 625. Similarly, for 35 square, last part will be 25. You just multiply it with the next number or the consecutive number. This will give you 12. 3 into 4 is 12 and 2 5. Similarly, 45 square will be 4 into 5. Next number is 20 and then 2 5. We don't have to think about this now. 65 square will be 6 into 7 is 42 and 2 5 and so on. Tell me what will be 105 square.
So, 100 and
11025.
1000.
So this will be 110 and 2. Is this clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Now For numbers which are just before 100 or 1000 or 10,000, for example, if they tell you to find 99 square. Is Janvi? So for numbers which are just before 100 or 1000 or 10,000 or 1 lakh, for example, 99 square. So in school, we were taught that you can do this 100 minus 1 whole square, then apply a minus b whole square. So I don't find it very useful. So 99 is just before 100. Just say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between 99 and 100?
1.
1.
1. So first, we will subtract this from 99. We get 98.
Yes, sir.
Then we have 2 zeros. We will put 2 zeros. Then we will add square of this number. 1 square is 1. Answer is 9801. I will repeat it. So we are supposed to find the square of 99. 99 is just before 100. And difference between 99 and 100 is 1. This will be our factor. So 99 minus 1 will be 98. We have 2 zeros. So we'll put 2 zeros here. Plus square of this number. 1 square is 1. Answer is 9801. Now, similarly, let's solve some other questions. So 98 square is just before 100, correct? What is the difference?
2, sir.
2. So first we'll do 98 minus 2, 96. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, plus, what do I add here?
4.
2.
Square of 2 square is 4. So answer should be 9604. Can you solve this? 97 square. Quick.
9409.
9409.
Very good. और speed बढ़ाएंगे, ठीक है? So first we will clear the concept. First we'll know how to solve it. We'll do it the right way. Then we'll work on the speed without using a pen. So I don't think we need a pen now. So 97 minus 3 is 94. And obviously 9400. And 3 square is 9. So 9409. So for now we can write it, but later we'll avoid it. So this is 94. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, plus we'll have 3 square, so we'll add 9. So 9409. Any doubt here?
Sir, for what numbers is this applicable?
Like, just before 100, just before 1000. Just let me finish it and then I think I can clear your doubt. So suppose we are supposed to find square of 999. So 999 is before, just before
1000.
1000. Rest is same. So 999 minus 1 will give us 998. How many zeros? 3
Three.
zeros. So 3 zeros plus 1 square will give us 0, 1. So 998001. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So tell me what will be the square of 996. Quick. Time up.
992016.
दिव्या थोड़ा माइक के पास.
992016.
So 996 minus 4 will give us 992. We have 3 zeros, 3 zeros, plus 4 square is 16. So 992016. Any doubt here? Asan hai, I think
No.
all can do it.
Yes, sir.
See, I'll teach you multiple ways of solving various questions. So whatever strikes at that time, just use it. We really don't know that in what state of mind we're attempting a question paper. So that particular day, things might be good, things might start well, things might not start well. So you never know. Like for now, our focus should be feeding information and ways of solving questions, and then we can filter it later after we attempt a few mock tests. So for now, just keep following it. Now this is also applicable for values which are just more than 100. So we are targeting 90 to 100 or 100 to 110. For example, if I tell you to find square of 102, the process is same. This is 2 more than 100, but this time we will add this factor. So this gives us 104. We have 2 zeros. So 2 zeros plus square of this. So this will be 04. So 1040. The only difference is that earlier we were subtracting this factor from the number because that number was less than 100. This time it is more than 100. That is why we are adding the number. Can you solve this 103 square quickly?
Sir, can you explain this one again?
No. Process बताओ पहले. Difference क्या है?
3.
3.
Hmm.
This time we just add. This will be 106.
Yes.
Rest process is same. 2
Okay.
zeros and b square gives us 9. So 10609. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll take you to class 8 again. There were some patterns. I'm not sure if you can recall it. 11 square is 121. What is 111 square? Can someone remember this?
1221.
No.
1331.
No. 1331 is 11. So no. This is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Can you decode the pattern? See,
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's
So
How
1,
many?
2.
how
and
many
then
ones are there? 3. So we write 3 in the middle. We complete it from 1 to 3. Or you count from left to right and then come back. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Or simply do this. We have 3 ones there. So I write 3 and I complete it from 1 to 3, left to right and right to left. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
So tell me what will be 1, 1, 1, 1 square quickly. I'll write 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1.
2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1, or I can simply do this 1, 2, 3, 4 and come back 3, 2, 1. So tell me what will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What square?
1 written 6
Times
times, sir.
1.
6
times 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Easy, hai na? So
Yes, sir.
once I saw this KBC for kids, which was abroad, and there was a video which was viral, and they had a question like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Option A was 1, 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1, 1. Option B was 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Everybody was, praising the person for. So this was taught in class 8. So we have 5 here. So we'll just look for 5 into 5. This was very easy. Now, other than this, there was another pattern. If 11 square is 121, 101 square is 121 because we have 11, but we have a 0 between ones. So we'll put 0 between every 2 digits. So similarly, 1001 square, because we have 11, we will always have 121. We have 2 zeros between ones, so we'll put 2 zeros there and 2 zeros. Can you tell me what will be 10001 square?
1,001.
See, such questions will help you save some time. Because I have seen a lot of students, if they give you this question, I have seen a lot of students doing this 1000 plus 1 whole square. You don't even need 5 or 10 seconds. Now, next is some patterns for 3, 6, and 9. So 3 square is 0, 9, 6 square is 36, 9 square is 81. What is 33 square, guys? Can someone tell me what is 33 square?
1089.
08.
How to solve this? Any shortcut for this?
Thirty plus 3 whole square.
Achha, see, how many digits are there? 2. So we will put 1, 2 minus 1, 1 blank here and 1 blank here. Which digit is just before 9?
8.
Which digit is just after 0?
1.
1.
Simple. 333 square, we will have 0 and 9. We have 3 digits here. So we will put 2 blanks here. What is just before 9?
8.
8. What is just after 0?
1.
And so on. Tell me what will be 3333 square.
1 1 1 0 8 8 1.
We have 4 digits, so we'll put 3 blanks. 8 8 8 1 1 1 and so on. So this is a pattern.
Excuse me, sir, can you explain this once again?
Can I use the second one to explain this? Because the process is same.
Yes, sir.
So 6 square is 36, 66 square. So if we have 6, we will have 36. We have 2 digits here, so we'll put 1 blank here. 1 minus 1. What is just before 6?
5.
What is just after 3?
4.
4.
4 3 5 6. Keshav, clear?
Yes, sir.
What will be 666? We'll have 36. We have 3 numbers, we'll put
4
2
4 3 5 4.
Just before 6 is 5, just after 3 is 4, and so on. Now similarly, 99, we already have done it. We know that it is 9801. So 2 numbers here, we'll put 1 and 1 blank here. Just before 1 is 0, just after 8 is 9. 999 square will be quickly.
9 9 8 0 0 1.
Very good. Any doubt here? See, there are so many shortcuts. I mean, I'll try to pick the maximum I can recall. Yes, Divya.
सर यहाँ पे हमें सिर्फ 3 की
थोड़ा माइक
टेबल
के पास,
के लिए
माइक के पास.
सर ये सिर्फ 3 की टेबल के लिए है या फिर हम इसमें 5 के साइड में
No,
भी
only for 369 that I know of. There might be some other patterns for the numbers also. Yes, Keshav.
Sir, how many blanks to be put in the answer?
So suppose if we have 2 numbers, so minus 1. So 1 blank here, 1 blank here. If we have 3 numbers, so write it the way you like it. So 3 minus 1, we'll put 2 and 2. If we have 4 minus 1, we'll put 3 and 3. Suppose if we have 4 digits here, sorry, 5 digits here. So we'll have 0, 9. We have 5 digits, so minus 1, we'll put 4 blanks here, 4 blanks here. 1, 1, 1, 1.
Okay.
Please just write it. Take 10 seconds and write the way you want to write it. And someone tell me what is 67 square in 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 30 seconds.
So what?
67 square.
4489.
Bhavya,
Yes.
tell me your method.
Sir, I just,
Multiplied it.
yes, sir.
Tell me what is 89 square.
Seven nine two one.
Okay. I think multiplication is good then. So for any 2-digit number, to find square of a 2-digit number, one way is to multiply the numbers as we already know. Otherwise, we have a formula. Arya बंद होता है.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है, Arya. So what is a plus b whole square?
So a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square.
So what I'll do is, I'll eliminate this plus. And I'll put a slash. Okay. First, I'll go very slow. Then we will solve a few questions. And then once you defeat me with your speed, then we'll move to the next part or topic. So suppose I'll take a very easy number for now, 25 square. So what I'm trying to do here is, I'm making this a and b. Is this clear? A is 2 and b is 5. So first you'll write this, then you'll write this, and then in the middle you write this. So 2 square is 4, 5 square is 25, 2 into 2, 4 into 5 is 20. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then we move from right to left. We take only the unit place down. Whatever is left goes to the left side. We take the unit place down. Whatever is left goes to the left side. And finally, we'll have whatever is left. You might find it slow for now because I'm doing it very slow, just to make you understand, but trust me, this is much better than even multiplying. I'll repeat it again. So I have to write a square here, so 2 square, I'll directly write 4. I have to write b square here, which should be 5 square, I'll write 25 here. You have to write 2ab, means 2 into a into b. So always it is better to multiply the numbers and then make it double. So 5 into 2, 10, the double is 20. Then we start from right to left. Unit place goes down, whatever is left goes to the left side. So 5 comes down, 2 goes to the left side, and do it in your mind. Don't write it like this always. So for now you can write it and later we'll avoid writing. So 2 will left with 2 plus 2 gives us 6. Whatever is left comes down. This will give us 625. I'll take another number now.
Sir, in the 2ab wala portion also, after the addition, we just take the units place, right?
Always.
Okay.
So for example, 67 square. So 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 6 into 7, 42 ka double is 84. Yes, Swati?
4489.
Sorry?
4289. The answer, sir. 4489.
So this is giving us 9, 4 plus 4 will give us 8, 36 plus 8 is 4489. Or for now, you can write it properly and later avoid it. So this will make it 88. This 8 comes there, this 8 goes there. 36 plus 8 is 44. And finally, 4489. Gradually, I'll keep increasing the speed. So next is 89. So 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 8 into 9 72 ka double will be 144. So 1 here, 8, 152, 15 here, 7921. How did I do it? So this will make it 152, out of which 2 comes here and 15 goes to the left. And finally, we have 79, which goes down. So we have 792. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir. No, sir.
Even if it is slow for now, practice for like 30 minutes and you'll ace it.
सर जो a square वाला होता है उसमें यूनिट की जगह पूरा नंबर आ जाएगा ना फिर?
Whatever is left here will come down. So tell me a 2-digit number.
77.
78.
Time up. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is the idle time that you can take to solve it. So I'll write it properly. 9 comes there, 4 goes there. In your mind, you can do it. 98 plus 4 will be 102, out of which 2 will come here, 10 will go there. So this is basically like this. 2 is here, 10 goes there. And then we have 59 and 59 will come. Any other 2-digit number, please?
So 53.
53. So 25, 30, and 9. So 9, 0, and 2, 2, 0. Is it possible to do it in 10-15 seconds? Some questions might take 20-25 seconds or 5 seconds. 9 here. 5 into 3, 15. So 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9, and 5 into 3, 15 into 2 is 30. So 9 here, 0 here, 3 here. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Okay, so now let's compete and you will defeat me, okay? Then I'll move to the next part. Any 2-digit number?
45.
84.
84. Time up. 6, 1 makes it 5. 6 goes there. 70. ठीक है? Vrinda, Tavishi, Srividya, Shaurya, Seju, Sara, Sanvi, Sanjana,
Yeah.
Utika,
Yes, sir.
Purnima,
Yes.
Farizad, Priyasha, Nitya, Niti, Megha,
Yes, sir.
Malvika, Lakshya,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Guneet, Bhumi, Avni, Asaf. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to do more or move on now?
I think we can move on.
Sir, a few more.
चलो तो मुझे हराओ ना फिर. Speed बढ़ाओ अपनी. Okay, 2-digit number. Bhavya.
34.
34. Time up. सही करा मैंने?
Yes, sir.
So 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 3 into 4 12 का double 24, 6 है, 4 plus 1 5, 9 plus 2 11.
This trick is applicable on every 2-digit number.
Yes, all 2-digit numbers, also on 3-digit numbers, but that will be a bit difficult for you guys for now. So for now, just use it for 2-digit numbers only.
सर हम इस ट्रिक से भी तो 99 का स्क्वायर निकाल सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल निकाल सकते हैं. But वो better रहेगा ना? That is easier. 99 square करो तो 9 square 81, 9 square 81, 81 का double कितना होगा 162. So 1 makes it 70. हाँ, double कर दो. So 9. I think this should be taught in schools also. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Can I move to the next part? Divya, is there a doubt?
नहीं सर मैंने वैसे मैंने ना एक्चुअली वैदिक मैथ्स कर रखी है तो सर मेरे को वैसे दूसरा मेथड थोड़ा आसान लगता है जो मैंने सीखा था काइंड ऑफ
सिखाओ मुझे भी।
सर उसमें हम जैसे कि हम 99 के नीचे 99 लिख देंगे और उसको 1xi मेथड इसको मैं बोलती हूँ मतलब
What do I do after this?
ixi मेथड बोलती हूँ मैं इसको इसमें like first we multiply 9 into 9 that goes 1 like I and we write the 1 and carry 8 then we multiply the into x like the other side
Like this.
like yeah like this and the other side both and add those
हाँ, सेम ही है ना?
बट सर इसमें फिर हम ये इसमें से बिना स्क्वायर के भी क्वेश्चंस में भी हो सकता है
Hey,
मतलब
so this is same actually. 9 into 9, 81, 9 into 9, 81, and you're doubling it. I was also doubling it, right? And then
Like,
you're doing this.
सर बट ये सिर्फ हम लाइक स्क्वायर्स में यूज करते हैं ना जो ये वाला मेथड है
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Done. So, can I move to square roots now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's take a break of a minute. Okay. Till then, I'll just write something and you guys can take a break. So whenever a number ends with 1 and you find square of that number, answer will always end with 1. For example, 11 square, 121. 1 square is 1. 12 square is 144, always ends with 4. 3 square 9, 4 square 16, so 6, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 89. What all digits are missing here? Can you see 2?
So 3,
3,
7,
5,
5 तो है, 8,
7,
done. Also, suppose I have 10 square, answer is 100. If I have 100 square, answer is 4 zeros. So I will always have, in a perfect square, I will always have even number of zeros at the end. Means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Can I have 3 zeros in a perfect square? Not possible.
oh,
Not possible. So any number, for now we can conclude that any number ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 or odd number of zeros will never be a perfect square. Vice versa is not true. I mean to say that it is not true that a number ending with 6 will always be a perfect square. For example, 46 ends with 6 but is not a perfect square, correct? Are you getting my point?
yes,
It is not necessary that a number ending with one of these digits will be a perfect square. So don't assume it. I'm just saying that if you see an option ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 or odd number of zeros, you can directly eliminate it if you are supposed to find square of a number or a perfect square. So you can have questions like which of the following is not, is or can be a perfect square. Option A, 1024. Option B, 9607. Option C, 1346. Option D, 2440.
1024.
1024.
See, first we will eliminate it. एक second wait करना. So first we can eliminate this. We cannot have odd number of zeros. We can eliminate it. Eliminate this. But why did you eliminate option C? Tell me. Why did you eliminate option C? Anyone willing to?
Sir, because it ends in number 7.
Sorry.
It ends in number 7.
Option C.
Not C, sir. I was talking about B.
So B is done, D is done. Tell me, how can you eliminate C? Anyone who is preparing for UC? For UC, anyone interested in UC exam? No one.
Sir, I am.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So can you answer this question? Why and how can you eliminate 1346?
सर मैंने तो इससे एलिमिनेट किया था क्योंकि मैंने 1346 कभी किसी का स्क्वायर नहीं सुना.
This is not a valid argument. Sorry.
So could I try?
Ashita, let's wait.
So you told us that any number ending with 6, the preceding number has to be an odd number.
Yeah, I've already taught you, Ashita. Okay. So let us check the tens place also. So for a number ending with 1, we have this. 11 square is 121. 2 square is 04. 12 square is 144. 3 square is 09. 13 square is 169. 5 square is 25. 15 square is 225. 7 square is 49. What is 17 square? Quickly.
289.
Good. 8 square is 64. 18 square will end with 4. So 3 to 4. 9 square is 81. 19 square is 361. 4 square is 16. 14 square is 196. 6 square is 36. 16 square is 256. So if you observe the second last digit or the tens place, this. So tens places, even or odd?
Even.
But only when a perfect square ends with 6. Tens place is always odd. Only when a perfect square ends with 6, the tens place of the second last digit is odd. Here it is even. Can all the UC aspirants raise your hand? Everyone who is very interested in UC, can you raise your
Can
hand?
you show that slide again?
Yes, yes. Please raise your hand. Only students who are interested in UC. For IIT, Bombay, Guwahati, Jabalpur and others. Raise your hand, please. I have a question for you. Using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many 5-digit perfect squares are possible? You can only shuffle, you cannot repeat a digit. Yes, Guneet? So all the UC aspirants, please try to answer this. How many 5-digit perfect squares can be formed by using these digits? Shaurya? Ishanika, Lakshya, Ishita, Shaurya, Keshav.
So you can't repeat a digit, right?
No, we have to use all the 5 digits. Yes, Ishita?
So we have to multiply the digits.
I don't know. How many
Sir,
5-digit
answer
perfect squares?
72.
Sorry?
Is the answer 72?
Who is this? Who is this? I cannot see your name, sorry. Anyone else? Swati? Saburi?
So is the answer 1250?
Maybe. Ashita? Who?
So I don't know.
So even I think it's 72.
How?
मैंने permutation combination लगाने की कोशिश करी. So in the ones place, या तो one, we have 3 options basically. So it could be 1, 4 or 5 because 2 and 3 से n नहीं हो सकता. Then tens place पे we have 4 options. Then 3 बचे, 2 बचे and 1 बचा.
No, जब 5 आएगा, so you will have only one option.
हाँ, so 1 out of those 3 can be used.
Answer is 0. Tell me how. Okay. Do you guys have any idea about what digital sum is? Any
No,
idea
sir.
about digital sum? Okay, so I call it magic in numbers. So basically, if I do this, answer is 144. Yes or no? 12 square.
Yes.
You just put down your hand. So what digital sum does is, we will have some options. So what is 2 plus 1? You add the digits till you get a single digit. What is 2 plus 1? 3.
3,
What is 3 square?
9.
Can you add the digits?
Oh, 9.
It is always wrong. For example, if I do this, or I can also write it like this. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 cube is 8. Can you add these? It is always the same. For any power, any power. Can I take some complicated question in this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let's say I'll give you two options. So how I do it is, I will never multiply it and I will never check it. So can you add all the digits? 6 plus
90.
10, 15, 18, 19.
19.
Yes, 90.
What is 1 plus 9? You again add it.
10.
10. You again add it.
1.
So इसका भी digital sum 1 आएगा.
Yes, sir.
We have multiply sign. What is 1 into 1?
1.
Option A को add करो. So 6 plus 3, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 3, 21 plus 6, 27, 28 plus 8, 36 plus 1, 37. What is 7 plus 3?
10.
What is 1 plus 0?
1.
Your answer.
Okay, sir.
अगर इसको add करोगे, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 8, 17 plus 3, 20, 26, 27, 28 and 8, 36. 3 plus 6 gives us 9. We need 1. Eliminate. So where to use it? First of all, when you have MCQs. Second, when you want to eliminate options. Third, you have multiplication. Fourth, you cannot use it in approximate numbers. For example, if I give you 33.33, which is never ending, into something, you cannot use it because I don't have a proper number. You cannot use it in recurring decimals. ठीक है, कुछ limitation है इसका. For example, if I have a question. I was solving a paper yesterday. Okay, so just be patient for a while. Huh? I'll take a few questions to help you. For example, yes. So there was a question. I was solving a math paper. So it says find the volume of cylinder whose radius is 31.5 centimeter and whose height is 16 centimeter. And pi ka value should be 22/7. Find in centimeter cube. So all you need is pi r square h. There were 4 options given. Options were 4, 7, 8, 9, 6. Option B, 4, 9, 8, 9, 6. Option C, 4, 6, 8, 9, 6. So whenever you have similar options, it is a digital sum question. So pi should be 22/7. R is 31.5. 31.5 to 60. Now if I take option A, 4, 7, 8, 9, 6, and I take this 7 here. So rather than solving it completely, I can use digital sum. इसका देखो decimal को ignore करना. This makes it 7. This is how much? 5 plus 1, 6 plus 3, 9. 9. अगर एक सुनो अगर एक भी नंबर 9 आ गया मतलब इसका डिजिटल सम 9 आएगा. 9 बहुत मिस्टीरियस नंबर है. So 4 into 9, 36, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 into 7, 63, 9. So इसका digital sum is 9. So at the left side, what is the digital sum? 4 plus 7, 11, plus 8, 19 plus 9, 28 plus 6, 34, 4 plus 3, 7, 7, 49, 9 plus 4, 13, 3 plus 1, 4. तो ये तो आंसर नहीं है. सेकेंड वाला ऑप्शन अगर हम देखें 4, 9, 8, 9, 6 into 7. ये कितना है 13 plus 8 21 plus 9 30 36 3 plus 6 9 into 7 63 6 plus 3 9 is your answer. So I'm just telling you that you can apply it. Now that depends on your decision if you want to go ahead with this.
So in such a question, if for example आपने इसमें B option choose किया है, अगर इसमें 4 8 9 9 6 होता साथ में, then how do we eliminate?
तो नहीं होता. तो रिस्ट्रिक्शन भी है. इसके रिस्ट्रिक्शंस भी हैं यहाँ पर क्योंकि देखो बाकी पूरा सेम है सिर्फ एक नंबर चेंज हो रहा है 7 9 6 8. सो आई नो आई कैन अप्लाई दिस बिकॉज इसमें कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा सा मुझे दिक्कत लग रही
Sir,
हाँ
sir, in these type of questions, only one digit changes, rest all remains the same.
हाँ. So whenever one digit changes ना, so it is a digital sum question. And only some examiners know this. लेकिन डाल देते हैं आजकल, स्पेशली जो कैट होता है या आई एम इंदौर टाइप पेपर्स होते हैं. फिर इतना कैलकुलेशन जो लास्ट हमने क्वेश्चन करा दैट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. नाउ यू नो व्हाट इज डिजिटल सम. टेल मी इनका सबका डिजिटल सम बताओ. ये 1 होगा, इसका कितना होगा 4.
Yes, sir.
4 इसका 9 9 इसका 9 plus 6 15 plus 1 16 7 इसका 7 इसका 9 इसका 4 9 plus 8 17 plus 2 9
Okay. 1.
17 square is 289 ना. हाँ so 1 9 1 9 1 यहाँ पर 7 यहाँ पर 9 यहाँ पर 4 यहाँ पर 7. लेकिन if you add these, see you can make this, you can make this, whatever. You will use 1 2 3 4 5 only. Yes or no, guys? You cannot skip a digit or you can repeat it. So what is the digital sum of these? 5 plus 4 9 10 15 6. Do you ever get a digital sum of a perfect square as 6? We have 1 4 9 and 7 only. So this is a difficult as well as a very easy question. Do I ever get 6 as my digital sum? Never in a perfect square. 1 मिला, 4 मिला, 9 मिला, 7 मिला, कुछ भी कर लो. 6 कभी आएगा ही नहीं. यहाँ पर you add these, you get 6. No perfect square will ever be formed. So answer is 0. समझ आया? Because we have to use 1 2 3 4 and 5. So whatever number you form, whatever arrangement or pattern you form, you will have these digits, and to find the digital sum you will have to add these. Okay, so 5 plus 4 9 10 15, 5 plus 1 6. 6 is never a digital sum of a perfect square. Therefore answer is 0 directly. Is this clear? Guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
नहीं समझ आया कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Now I'm coming back to this. How to find a square root. Very easy. I'm taking a very basic number to make you understand. Now we have 2 here. So from the right end, we'll underline a pair, 2 numbers. We'll check the unit place. 4 can be there because of what? 2 square or 8 square? Yes or no? Because 2 also gives us 4, 8 also gives us 4. So answer can end with 2 or with 8. Yes or no? Step 1 है, यहाँ पर 2 लिखा है, तो आप लास्ट के 2 डिजिट्स को अंडरलाइन करोगे, आप उसका यूनिट प्लेस चेक करोगे. 4 कैसे बनता है? या तो 2 स्क्वायर से 4 बनता है या फिर 8 स्क्वायर से 4 बनता है. सो आंसर कैन में 2 भी आ सकता है, 8 भी आ सकता है. यस और नो? नींद आ रही है? So other than this pair, we are left with 1. Which number's square is just less than or equal to 1? 1. इसको यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो. ये किसी भी बड़े नंबर के लिए भी एप्लीकेबल है. So now we have 12, we have 18. And whenever you have 2 possibilities, you will always have a number ending with 5 in between. Like 15 is between 12 and 18. What is 15 square? This was the first thing taught today. 5 square is 25. 1 into 2 is 2. So 15 is square root of 2 to 5. Our number 144 is smaller than 2 to 5. So answer should be smaller than 15. Answer is 12. I'll take another example. So we all know what is 9801. So this is 2. We will underline the last 2 digits and we will check the unit place. 1 comes at the unit place because of what? 1 square is 1, or 9 square also gives us 1, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Answer should end with 1 or with 9. Other than this pair, we are left with 98. Which number square is just less than or equal to 98? See, 10 square is 100, 9 square is 88. So 9 square is just less than 98. So I will write 9 here and here. Between 91 and 99, I can use 95 because this is easy for us. 5 square is 25, 9 into 10 is 90. Our number 9801 is greater than 9025. So square root of 9801 should be greater than 95. Therefore, answer is 90. If not this, then
एक क्वेश्चन था.
हाँ.
तो वो n square वाला जो n square equal to 98 था, वो क्या मतलब वो समझ नहीं आया.
First step, underline the last 2 digits, check the unit place. 4 is because of 2 or 8.
Yes, sir.
2 possibilities. Other than the pair, we are left with 10.
Yes, sir.
So we will check which number's square is just less than or equal to 10. कौन से number का square 10 से just पहले आता है?
So 3 or 1.
3. 4 square is 16, no?
Yes, sir.
So 3 square is just less than 10. So 3 here. 3. Now to check which of the following will be our answer, we will use a number between 30 to 38 and of course ending with 5 because this is easy to find. So this is 25 and 3 into 4 is 12, 1, 2, 2, 5. Now our number 1024 is just smaller than 1225. So our answer will be smaller than 35. Therefore answer should be 32. ठीक है?
So in case we have a 5-digit number, तभी हम first 2 digits का ही लेंगे.
मैं कराता हूँ, एक मिनट. सो ले लेते हैं कोई 5-6 डिजिट नंबर ले लेते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. One, 6. इसको डिजिटल सम से भी कर सकते हो वैसे, बाकी देख लेते हैं. सो we have 2, underline 2. 4 is because 2 or 8. We left with 163. 13 square is 169. 12 square 144 is just less than 163. Therefore 12 and 12. Now we'll take 1 to 5. This is 25. 12 into 13 is 156. This is 16384 is greater than this. So answer should be greater than 125. Therefore answer is 128. For the last question, I'll show you how to use options to solve it, like without even this way. So suppose we have 9801. Okay. Option A is 81. Option B is 89. Option C is 91. Option D is 90. So first of all, I'll break the options. Matlab, I have 90 here. What is 90 square? It is easy to find. 8100, yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So our number 9801 is greater than 8100. So these two are eliminated directly. Yes or no? Because the square root of 9801 has to be greater than 90, because 90 square is what? 8100. So answer cannot be 81 or 89. Now let us focus on these two. You can use the same concept. What is 95 square? 9 into 10, 90 and 25. Now this number is even greater than this. So answer will be this. Whenever you have options, please use it to your advantage.
सर
हाँ.
सर जैसे 95 का आपने स्क्वायर ऐसे करा, इसका सर एक बार फिर से फॉर्मूला बता दो.
लेट ज्वाइन किया था ना?
यस सर.
So whenever a number ends with 5,
Yes sir.
answer will always end with 25.
Yes sir.
Within 5, whatever is left, you multiply it with its next number. So 9 into 10 is 9.
तो मतलब हर बार नेक्स्ट जो फर्स्ट डिजिट है उसको नेक्स्ट नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना और 5 का स्क्वायर
2 into 3 6, 3 into 4 12, 4 into 5 20, 6 into 7 22, 8 into 9 72 25. Because last part will always be 25.
Okay sir. Thank you.
So screen कुछ distorted है ना?
Yes sir.
Just wait, I'll share it again. और करना है या you're done for today? I just don't want to confuse you guys. Cube root और करा दो last आज के लिए. Average के लिए we have another day. So the way we used the unit digits for squares, we will use for cubes also. So unit place. If a number ends with 1 and we find cube of that number, answer will be 1. 1 cube is 1. For
Yes.
2, 8. For 3, 3 cube is 27. 4 cube is 64. 5 cube is 125. 6 cube 6. 7 cube 343. 8 cube 512. 9 cube 729. देखो स्क्वायर्स जो हैं 1 to 25 learn it. Cubes 1 to 12 learn it. because this will also help you in reasoning questions. So suppose we have 1, 3, 3, 1. Cube root is very, very, very easy. So we have 3 here. This time we will underline 3 digits. And all you have to remember is that 2 gives us 8. So 8 gives us 2. 3 gives us 7. So 7 gives us 3. Rest all are same. So for 1331, what is the unit place? 1?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, we are left with 1. Which number's cube is just less than or equal to 1? 1 cube is 1. Answer is 11.
So इसमें सिर्फ फर्स्ट डिजिट ही देखेंगे हम.
जो भी बचेगा. I'll take another example. शकुंतला देवी मूवी देखी थी किसी ने?
Yes, sir.
She used the same method. That reporter, misquotes her and she says that this question is wrong. So 7, so 3, and underline the last 3. 7 will give us what? 3. We are left with 12. Which number's cube is just less than or equal to 12? 3 cube is 27, 12, 2 cube is 8. So 2 cube is just less than 12. Therefore, answer is 23. That's all. Easy है?
Yes, sir. सर 2-3 और एग्जांपल करा दो. सर ये 3 कैसे हुआ?
हाँ. 3 क्यों? बहुत सारे ले लेते हैं. Right? Nine gives us what? 9. So 9 as a unit place is because of 9. Which number's cube is just less than 493? 8 cube is 5 and 2. 7 cube is 343. So 7 ka cube is just less than 493. So we write 7. Answer is 79. इससे आसान तो कोई मेथड नहीं हो सकता क्यूब.
सर ये जो अपना यूनिट डिजिट है इसकी अपन कैसे रिजल्ट फाइंड आउट कर?
सो 9 कैसे बनता है? 9 से तो बनता है ना.
यस सर.
9 बनता है 9 किसी का ऐसे क्यूब हुआ होगा. नाउ वी आर लेफ्ट विद 493. कौन से नंबर का क्यूब इज जस्ट लेस देन 493? 8 cube is 5 and 2. 7 cube is 343. So 7 cube is just less than 493. Therefore, I'm writing 7. So your answer is 7. So 493,039 is 79. I think these things will help you.
So एक क्वेश्चन था. तो एग्जाम्स में ऐसे डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आएंगे कि इस नंबर का क्यूब रूट निकालो?
I don't know. But all I know is that these things will always help you. But the way I started studying maths, because earlier, if I talk about, let's say 2011, 12, I was at the same page. Majority of you are. Like solving 100 questions in 100 minutes was a task for me. But then all I did was I stopped using a pen, unless required. So learn a few basics like in percentage.
तो एक लास्ट वाले से ही क्वेश्चन था, एक लास्ट टॉपिक से.
हाँ
सर जैसे जब हम जैसे क्यूब रूट निकालते हैं तो हम लास्ट 3 नंबर्स को हटा देते हैं. और जब हम स्क्वायर निकालते हैं तो हम लास्ट 2 नंबर्स को हटा देते हैं.
हाँ.
सर अगर हमें इसी का स्क्वायर निकालना होता तो हम 4930 को कैसे निकालते हैं?
डिजिटल सम, वो बेटर रहेगा. सो इन सम क्वेश्चंस यू माइट हैव टू यूज अ डिजिटल सम. इन सम क्वेश्चंस, क्योंकि यहाँ तो फिर मुश्किल है ना, तुम्हें उतने स्क्वायर्स याद ही नहीं होंगे.
यस सर.
निकाल सकते हो, लाइक उसमें भी पेयर पेयर करके ले
बट
सकते
उसके लिए हमें मिनिमम याद
हो.
करना
नहीं,
होगा square.
उसमें पेयर करके ले सकते हैं.
ओके सर.
जैसे 30 से कम कितना
Excuse me,
होता है.
sir.
यस.
Sir, एक बार डिजिटल सम समझा दो.
जैसे एक मिनट देना मुझे. उसको भी चेक कर लेते हैं. The one he is trying to say. इसका निकालना एक बार स्क्वायर रूट. ये वाला तो खैर कोई रहेगा. डिजिटल सम अगर करना है, फॉर एग्जांपल इसमें मैं लेता हूँ 120. So first of all, I'll write it like this. One way of doing is that I do this. 12 square is what? 14400. So answer cannot be these two. Now I'm left with this. Either use 125 or now just wait. We're left with these two options. So this should have been calculated like this. If you check the digital sum, you add all the digits 9, 10, 12, 18, 19. 9 plus 1, 10 gives us 1. So digital sum is 1. If you find digital sum of this, 3 plus 2, 5, 6 into 6, 36, 9. Eliminate it. Check the digital sum, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 into 1. We need that. This is the answer.
सर हमें 16129 को प्लस करना है ना?
Sorry?
सर 16129 को हमें प्लस करना है.
हाँ. If you add that, you get 19. If you add 1 plus 9, you get 10. If you add 1 plus 0, 1. कभी किसी ने सुना होगा न्यूमरोलॉजी, काफी लोग करते हैं, है ना? So in that also they use the same concept. You might have seen some persons, for example, name was Ritik, but then some numerologist or astrologer tells the person to use H, or some people later in life they make it like this. So that is because they want to change the digit, or they just want to change the digital sum. So I'm not into numerology, but I know this. So the concept used there is also digital sum. Usually it is like this. So if I talk about my date of birth, so mine should be 1 plus 1 plus 10, 19, 21. 2 plus 1 is what? 3, 3, 4, 5. So my digital sum should be 5. So this would be what a numerologist might want to know, work on it later. So for us, digital sum can help us when we have MCQ type questions. So इस वाले में we first eliminated these two, and then we were left with these two, because what if we have a greater number and we have two options left, so you can eliminate that. In this case, we were getting our digital sum as 9, but we wanted 1. So you can directly mark your answer without even checking, but then even if you check it, you get 10 here. 1 plus 0 gives you 1. Similarly, 10 here. 1 plus 0 will give you 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So your digital sum is 1. Therefore, correct answer should be this. Please take some time. I mean, don't hurry, don't rush up, and just take some time and sit alone and try to work on these numbers. Try to solve these questions again. Watch this video again. I'll upload it in the next 30 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, especially for students who are new, I would request you to work on basic percentage and these shortcuts first. So we have some few lectures which are available on the website for free. Yes, Mishti, I can take some doubts. So doubts now.
सर 2-3 डाउट्स है कल की क्लास से।
हाँ।
सर एक तो सर रिलेटिव स्पीड वाले ही क्वेश्चन आप एक बार वो जैसे एक मैन रन्स जो मैन और ट्रेन का था वो फॉर्मूला।
So first was train and pole.
Yes, sir.
Time to cross a pole. Directly learn the formula. Length of train upon speed of train. Then we had platform, tunnel, or bridge, which has no speed, so some length which is not moving. So time to cross a platform was length of train plus length of platform upon speed of train, because the platform has no. Third was train and man in the same direction. So whenever you have same, you subtract the speeds. So time to cross a man in the same direction, length of train upon speed of train, because train is faster than man. In same direction, you subtract the speeds. Then if you have train and man in opposite direction, opposite attracts. So train and man in opposite direction should be length of train upon speed of train plus speed of that person. Also, always remember that 99.9% these speeds are given in kilometer per hour. So you will use a bracket, and to convert it into meter per second, you do this. I'm assuming all the speeds to be in kilometer per hour. That's why you will use 5/18 here itself. Don't do this. I've seen a lot of students doing this. So first they'll convert this, and then they'll convert this in meter per second, and then they'll use it in the formula, because the values that are given, for example, this value or this value will be a multiple of 6 or 3. So just try to put 5/18 here in the formula itself. Don't do it separately. Don't find speed separately in meter per second and then add it. So directly use this. And then after that, we have two trains. So train 1 of length L1, speed S1, train 2 of length L2 and speed S2. So basically two trains in same direction. In same direction, their speeds will be subtracted. If we talk about two trains in opposite direction mein speeds are added and lengths in both the cases will be added. So two trains, L1 plus L2, lengths are added. Same speed of faster train minus speed of slower train, of course. Then two trains in opposite direction, lengths are again added, speeds will be added. In this case, of course, 5/18 again to convert it into meter per second. Next doubt, please.
सर लास्ट क्लास में आपने एक बार वो लॉस का फॉर्मूला बताया था x² अपॉन लॉस का.
So if you sell two products, article 1 and article 2.
Yes, sir.
I'd mentioned that selling price of both the articles is same. So whenever selling price of two articles is same, you gain X% on one and you lose X% on the other, then your net profit or loss is not 0. Your net profit or loss is always a loss equal to X² upon 100%. For example, you sell two articles at some SP. We don't care about the SP till we are supposed to find the net profit or loss, because it is asking about the percentage here. In the first case, you gain 10%. In the second case, you lose 10%. So overall, you will lose 10² upon 100%, which is 1%. Or you can simply do this. 1 into 1 is 1. अगर ये होता है 20% प्रॉफिट 20% लॉस, so 2 into 2 is 4% loss.
सर अगर हम इसमें एसपी को 100 अज्यूम करें,
मत करो, या तो गिवन होगा, then you find CP.
ओके
100 में you might mess up.
ओके, तो जो भी परसेंट है उसी को स्क्वायर कर दें सीधा.
It's very simple. Only when selling price of 2 articles is same. Another way of solving this question is that you find CP1, you find CP2, then you find total CP, you find total SP, and then you work on the values.
अरे सर इसमें ये भी नेसेसरी है कि प्रॉफिट परसेंट दोनों का सेम हो.
हाँ, of
ठीक
course.
है.
तभी x square लगेगा ना.
ओके सर.
We have a doubt from Ashita. A man takes 6 hours to walk to a certain place and riding back. So walk and walk back 6 hours. He could have gained 2.5 hours if he had covered both ways by riding. So riding and riding. If this person saves 2.5 hours, means 3.5 hours in this case. How long?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry, this was riding back. So how long would he have taken to walk both ways? So if R plus R is 3.5, and if W plus R is 6, so 2R is, R should be 3.5 upon 2. I think we can directly use this thing. W will be and we have to find both, so into 2. This should be 12 minus 3.5, 8.5. What is the answer?
So 8.5 hours.
So use these equations to find W, and then we have to go from A to B walking and come back walking again. So 2W should be 8.5.
Okay, sir.
Then a flight of 600 kilometer, an aircraft was slowed down due to bad weather. Its average speed for the trip was reduced by 200 kilometers. So normally it was this time was T. Now we have a bad weather case in which the speed is minus 200, and we have time which is increased by 30 minutes, 0.5. Find the duration of the flight. Can I use hit and trial method to solve this? Can she? If you want to go with the basics, please do this. So time in first case will be distance upon speed. Time in the second case will be distance upon speed. Now T2 is greater, of course, 30 minutes more than the usual time. So T2 minus T1 should be 0.5 hours. So 600 upon S minus 200 minus 600 upon S is equal to 0.5. And I'm sure you guys hate quadratic equations. Yes or no? So in such cases, you can always go for hit and trial methods. What if I take my speed as 600? I'm assuming. So if I put 600 here, this will be how much?
400.
Can you find out time? This will give us 1 hour. This will give us how much? 3 by 2. 1.5 hour. मैच कर गया सब कुछ? So luckily, this was the right answer. Anyway, you have to take a value greater than 300.
The answer was 1 hour.
So answer is 1 hour. Na? This is the speed that was let. So this is my normal time. T1 is what? The original time. This is 1 hour. In the new case, it is 1.5 hour. And this is 30 minutes more than the usual time. So all conditions are met. Correct? Or you solve for S and then you use this equation to find T. I don't prefer that. Now, the next question is a train.
सर अभी जो पिछले वाले क्वेश्चन था उसमें डिस्टेंस कांस्टेंट है तो हम वाला फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं
कर लो S1 upon S2 is equal to T2 upon T1. Solve it. कर सकते हो. Next is a train can travel 50% faster than a car. So if the speed of car is X or S, train ka speed will be 1.5 S. Both start from point A at the same time. Run towards point B, which is 75 kilometers away. On the way, however, the train lost about 12.5 minutes while stopping at stations the speed of car is. So this car continuously moves. Suppose the time taken by car is TC. And both reach B at the same time. So what will be the time taken by car? Distance upon speed of car, yes or no? Time taken by car to cover 75 kilometers at a speed of S. Distance upon speed, Priyanshi.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the time taken by the train should have been 75 upon 1.5 S, but this also includes the stoppage time, which was 12.5 minutes, and we have to convert it into hours also. So TT is equal to TC, means that time of the train, which is 1.5 S plus 125 upon 600 is equal to time of car, which is 75 upon S. The speed of the car is, why not use options there? Why to work on a quadratic equation? यहाँ 4 ऑप्शन दिए, जब भी डिनोमिनेटर में कोई वैल्यू पूछिए ना, आप LHS RHS कर लो. कर सकते हो?
Yes, sir.
एक काम कर लो, 5/24 को राइट साइड ले आओ. तो बेटर रहेगा. So take speeds and then try it. ठीक है?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
एक सेकंड वेट करना प्लीज. Yes, so next question is from Mishti. 10% loss on selling price is what percent loss on CP? Mishti,
yes sir
What is the formula of loss percent?
Loss percent is equal to loss upon CP.
ठीक है. So अगर वो on CP नहीं भी पूछेगा, normally loss percent पूछेगा तब भी ये करेगा. What is the fractional equivalent of 10%? Mr. Quickly.
1/10.
1/10. It says loss on SP is 1/10. Whenever loss and SP is given, to find CP, you can simply add them. क्या होता है? CP minus loss होता है ना SP. So अगर CP find
Yes,
करना है
sir.
तो loss plus SP कर सकते हो. So whenever loss and SP are given, you just add to find CP. Now what is loss? Loss is 1. What is CP? CP is 11. What is 1/11 in terms of percentage? 9.0.
Okay, sir.
So Mishti, in flight question, you don't have to solve two variables because you assume the speed and you use hit and trial. That is much better than solving quadratic. Next doubt, please. Next doubt.
Sir, I've put it in the chat box only if you can see it.
Okay, got it. Just give me a second. I'll put my charger. Can you read the question for all, Shanika?
Yeah. Rakesh sets out to cycle from Delhi to Mathura, and at the same time, Suresh starts from Mathura to Delhi. After passing each other, they complete their journey in 9 and 16 hours respectively. At what speed does Suresh cycle if Rakesh cycles at 16 km/h?
I did not cover this in my last session, but this is mentioned in the math booklet. Please just have a look. So there is this special situation in which we have 2 points X and Y. A leaves from station X towards Y, and B leaves from station Y towards X, and they meet here. Okay? So A is running towards Y, B is running towards X. So after meeting, the time taken by A after meeting, this is a very important word for this type. After meeting, time taken by A to cover the remaining distance, and after meeting, time taken by B to cover. Suppose the speed of B is SB, speed of A is SA, so you will have a relation which says that SA upon SP square is equal to TV upon T, or SA upon SB will be equal to under root TV upon T. Now, let's read the question again. Rakesh sets out to cycle from Delhi, इसको मैं Delhi बोल रहा हूँ, to Mathura. ये राकेश है, इसकी स्पीड SR, ठीक है, टाइम TR आफ्टर मीटिंग, और हमें सुरेश है, इसको SS ले लेते हैं, टाइम TS ले लेते हैं. So Rakesh sets out to cycle from Delhi to Mathura at the same time Suresh starts from Mathura to Delhi after passing each other. So after meeting आ गया, they complete their journey in 9 hours and 6 hours respectively. So TR is given 9 and TS is given 16 hours. Is this clear?
Yes.
Respectively. At what speed does Suresh cycle? We have to find the speed of Suresh. If Rakesh, the speed is 16 km/h. So if let's say we have time given, and these are squares, can I use the second equation? So I'll make it Rakesh and Suresh. So Suresh का time ऊपर आएगा और Rakesh का time नीचे. So speed of Rakesh is 16. Speed of Suresh we have to find is equal to under root time of Suresh is 16. Time of Rakesh. So this will be 4 upon 3 is equal to 16 upon speed of Suresh. So speed of Suresh kilometer per hour. Direct application of the formula, you just have to recognize this type of question. If you know what type of question is being asked and what formula do we use, then you can easily solve. Any other doubt? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
If selling price is doubled and the profit triples, find the profit percent.
CP plus P is SP, MST.
Yes, sir.
If SP is doubled, profit is tripled. CP remains the same. Now you have to find the profit percent. The formula to find profit percent is P upon CP 200. So we don't need SP. Can I use the value of SP, which is C plus P, and put it here?
Yes, sir.
So this will give us price of CP plus P. If you solve it, you'll get P is equal to CP. Now the value of P as CP can be put here. So CP से CP cancel हो गया, profit percentage 100%.
Okay.
Next.
When a commodity is sold for rupees 34.80, there's a loss of 2%. What is the cost price of the commodity?
Answer given in the booklet is wrong. All the options are wrong. Answer should be greater than 34 point. So cost price loss के लिए 2% 0.100 minus loss will give you SP. CP के लिए मैंने ये बताया cost price into 0.100 minus loss करते हैं तो SP आता है. अब जब profit होता है तो CP into 1 point profit portion लिख देते हैं तो SP आता है. These values are good till or less than 100%. Answer should be greater than 34 point. Options are wrong. Next.
Sam purchased 20 dozen of toys at the rate of 375 per dozen. He sold each one of them at the rate of rupees 33. What is his percentage profit?
उसने 20 डजन खरीदा 375 per dozen का, correct?
Yes, sir.
And this person is selling one, मतलब each for rupees 33.
Yes, sir.
So ये जो 20 डजन है, मेरे लिए अभी इसका कोई रोल नहीं है because इसने 12 खरीदे 375 के 1 डजन, मतलब per डजन है ना जितने भी खरीदे. Can I talk about 1 dozen first? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because the price is 375 per dozen, that means this person bought 12 for 375. Can you find the SP of 12? 396. So can I reframe the question now? 12 articles were bought for rupees 375 and were sold for rupees 396. Can you find the profit percent? What is the profit? 396 minus 375. What is the CP? 375. पूछा गया है
Profit percent.
कितना है आंसर?
5.6.
ठीक है, अगला.
सर बट हमने 20 को 12 कैसे बनाया?
उसने 20 डजन खरीदे लेकिन उसने रेट क्या दिया है? 375 पर डजन का दिया है ना. So even if you find profit percent for 1 or 1 dozen or 20 dozens, answer will not change. भाई अगर यहाँ दोनों जगह into 20 कर लोगे, दोनों जगह into 20 कर लोगे, how will it change your answer? Because यहाँ भी into 20, यहाँ भी into 20, ये भी into 20 आ जाएगा. फिर ये into 20 है, ये भी into 20, 20 से 20 कर दिया. Does it change anything?
No.
Because this 20 will be multiplied here with profit. Then basically क्या हो रहा है? Profit upon CP अभी हमने 1 dozen का निकाला. You can find for 20 dozen also. एक ही तो बात है. This is all. Next, please.
So,
हाँ.
there was a case from Suresh Wale. Can you please explain that once again?
So the formula is SA square upon SB square. So after meeting, whenever they they finish their journey, so the remaining time is given after meeting. The formula is this, or the formula is SA upon SP is equal to root TV upon TA. So in this case, it is given that Rakesh's speed is this, time taken by Rakesh after meeting to reach destination is 9 hours. Similarly, speed of Suresh, we have to find this, and time of Suresh after meeting is 16. So I can take SA as Rakesh. So speed of Rakesh upon speed, I'm using this equation, of Suresh should be square root of time taken by, देखो ये यहाँ पर आता है, सुरेश का टाइम आएगा 16 इधर and we know that the speed of Rakesh is,
ये जो टाइम है ये तो वो वाला टाइम है ना जो उन्होंने मिलने के बाद
वही लेना होता है, वही लेना, यहाँ भी मैंने ये करा है ना आफ्टर मीटिंग.
ओके सर.
So this will be 16 upon S is equal to 4 upon 3. Say speed of Suresh will be 12.
तो लेकिन सर हम ये टाइम में ये वाला टाइम हम तो टोटल टाइम लेंगे ना जो
फॉर्मूला है सर, ये फॉर्मूला है, टोटल टाइम दिया ही नहीं.
ओके सर.
आफ्टर मीटिंग ही देगा, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आता है.
ठीक है सर.
Next out, done.
Yes sir.
Fine, then I'll see you tomorrow.
सर
हाँ,
तो आज की वीडियो कब तक अपलोड हो जाएगी?
15 मिनट में.
ओके सर. सर
हाँ जी केशव.
सर आज जैसे डेमो क्लास है तो ये क्वेश्चंस की प्रैक्टिस ये क्वेश्चंस कहाँ पे अवेलेबल होंगे सर?
देखो शॉर्टकट्स तो नहीं होंगे, बट अभी टेक सम टाइम, ठीक है, वरना फिलहाल के लिए टिल यू रिसीव द स्टडी मटेरियल फ्रॉम डीसी यू कैन यूज दिस वेबसाइट indiabooks.com. ये RS अग्रवाल को यूज करते हैं. अरिथमेटिक एप्टीट्यूड, in this you will find chapters. So for now you can start with percentage or ratio.
सर फ्रॉम RS
अगर RS अग्रवाल है आपके पास quantitative aptitude, then you can use that also. Otherwise just use this website. So under arithmetic you can find this. So tomorrow we'll start a new chapter.
सर सैटरडे संडे को क्लास होगी?
हाँ हाँ, कल का दिया हुआ है, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट करेंगे कल. सो हैव अ लुक एट बेसिक परसेंटेज.
थैंक यू सर.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.